AWS account where we have a region. Under this region, I have two availability zone. For example, this one. Okay. Under this availability zone, I have created one EC2 machine here and another one here. So we have a two EC2 machines. Okay. So EC2 one, this one, and other one is EC2 2. Okay. So what happened is in EFS first of all is the elastic file system. Let's just understand the definition, then I'll show you the diagram. EFS AWS. See, it's a serverless fully elastic file storage. So it's again the storage thing, as we are reading that in the storage part. So see, we have read the EBS. So what is the EBS? EBS is the block store that we attach with the virtual machines. We have a S3, that's the object store. And now you are clear with object store thing, right? That before we started the S3 you were having some doubt that what exactly it is and how we are going to use that. So now is that clear in your mind?
Yes.
Okay. So it's like, are you able to imagine that why S3 is different and why EBS is different? The purpose of both.
Uh, One thing is in my mind. So you said like if there is some data which is more than 5 GB, we have to use the parallel transfer option, right? How we do it, or is it automatic?
Not 5 TB, 5 GB.
Yeah, yeah, 5 GB.
If that data is more than 5 GB, it move in parallel like multi-part upload. So yes, it is automatic.
And
It
I have
automatically.
like I was reading some documentation. They said like you can do it after
Yes.
5 MB or 5, but it is recommended or it is compulsory to move after 5 GB, but you can do it after 5 MB.
Yes, you can do that, but if you have seen that when I shown you this minimum and maximum object size in S3 bucket. So see here also, they were just recommending that for the larger than 100 MB, the customer should consider using the multi-part upload. 100
Yeah.
MB, it's not 5 GB. So yes, if you will try to upload 5 MB or 6 MB of data in the multi-part, there will not be any effect. At least they should have that much of space to do the multi-part upload. And we can also do that, means I have never seen that option, but it has to be possible, it should not be automatic. Let's
Okay.
just do some research on that. How to
Yeah, it suddenly
enable.
came in my mind.
Yes, how to enable multi-part upload in S3 object. There might be the option available somewhere. Maybe while uploading you will get it. See, let's just see that. Okay, yes, we have a bucket. Let's just try to upload. Let me just add any bigger file. Do I have any bigger file? No, let it be. And under this option maybe we will get a multi-part. No, additional this metadata. No, we don't have any multi-part thing here. Okay, I'll search that how that multi-part option work, because it has to be there. Multi-part upload is three-step process. You initiated the upload, you upload the object part, and after you uploaded all parts, you complete the multi-part upload. They are telling that we should upload that part file in the part. Okay, I'll bring one live example for that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any other thing in object store? Because it's important. You will get lot of questions in the exam related with the S3 object, bucket, mm, all of them. Ashwati, do you have any doubt in S3 object?
No.
Okay. So let's just move towards Amazon Elastic File System. So it's EFS as we see, and it's a serverless, fully elastic file storage. It's another type of storage. It's and one limitation. Let me share that limitation first. Is you can only create EFS for Linux machines. It's not applicable for Windows machine. So there might be question come that what is there for Windows. So we have another service that is called FSX, that is also the file sharing system, and that is only dedicated for the Windows. So what exactly file sharing will do? So we create one folder here somewhere in the both the machines. So that common folder is known as, let's, this is the EFS. And what we are doing, we share this folder among the machines. So anything upload inside this file will be visible for both the machine. Anyone can go and delete that file, so that will be deleted for the both the machines. Okay, what we do, we mount this EFS with both the machine. Whatever, like there might be 10 and 15 machines also, you can go ahead and mount that with the EFS, and every 10 machines can go ahead and share that location. So the use case for this is, for example, we have a 10 team members, and all the 10 team members are working, and but sometimes there are some of the common files which we require to share with each other. So how to share that? We can go ahead and go do the email to everyone, but sometimes email is not that much secure, and there are the limitation of size also. There might be a chances that file is very big. So how to share that? So we can go and create the EFS, and we can mount that EFS with all the 10 machines. So the people who are mounted with this EFS can go ahead and access this folder easily. They can share the files between each other. So this is called EFS, Elastic File System. Okay. So understood? Any doubt what exactly EFS means? So EFS is providing 99.99% of durability, and up to 99.99%, here 11 times of 9 and the 99.99, 4 times 9 of availability. And what do you understand by durability and availability? So let's just understand what is the meaning of durability and availability. See, we have, there is a bank, okay, and your cash is available with the bank. You can go and withdraw your money from the bank, because that is the availability, that the your cash is available, it's there in your account, no one going to take it. So that is known as availability. Now what is the durability? Are you can you go and access that by 24 by 7? No, right? The durability was like the, no, sorry, I'm talking opposite. The durability is like your cash and everything is available with the bank all the time, but the availability is when you can go and withdraw that money. There is a limited time, like for example 10 to 4. So your cash will be available between 10 to 4 only. You can go and withdraw that. You can't go and withdraw 24 by 7. So that is called the durability and the availability. So durability is like the all the time, and availability is like the time when you can go and withdraw. So this is the one example of durability and availability. How durable your data is, how, what is the security, whether that is secure or not. And availability is kind of when you can go and take that. So this is the percentage they are providing. Now let's just see the example of EFS, and let's just create. So let's just quickly go and create two EC2 machines. Yes, and one more thing, elastic file systems are region specific. Okay, so if you want to share something that is a region specific, that EFS will be region part. So let's create launch instance, and let me create a Linux one. Let me change the AMI, select this one. So it's in 1D. Let me select another region for selecting the Linux 2. One E security group is this one, launch. So yes, we have two machines. Let's just go and move back down. And let's just log in into this two machines. Now second machine. So there are two things which you need to be take care while working on EFS is, one is the both the machine should be the Linux machine, and the second one is the security group should have NFS port enable. So right now my security group is not having NFS port enable. I need to go and enable that. So just simply go and edit inbound rule and add rule. Under this NFS is the port, so just go and add that. Sorry, yes, 2049, and enable that. So we have enabled the NFS. Now they both are applicable for sharing the resources, but how they are going to share, we need to make some connection. So we just go and use the service that is called EFS. Under that EFS we will get the mounting points, which will help me to mount one folder between these two machines, which will be the sharing. So okay, just create file system, just give the name demo EFS. You can go and select the VPC only, and here the standard and one zone is just nothing but the all the files are here like this. You can go and specify the zone, store data redundancy within a single availability zone, but no, I want to share that across the region. So just go and create. Here they are not bounded for the region, but if you go ahead and select any region, so your machine should be in the same region and the EFS should be the same region, and I don't want that, so I'm going with the standard option, create. Under this create option, just click here and you need to go and edit option and just see the options, because there are a lot of options. Why it has not shown me those options? 1 minute. Okay, create file system. Okay, yeah, this was the option, sorry, demo, EFS2 and customize. So I will get this 4 types of option where I can go and select my own options. See, do you want to take the backup? No, I don't want. We have a storage class option also where we can move automatically, we can transact, so I don't want even that also, so none. Encryption, I'm not looking for the encryption. Performance bustable and enhance, it's like a throughput is high here and here you will get the normal one, so I'm going with the normal one. Additional option here, general purpose you are creating option or maximum IO, so I'm creating general purpose. Then next option you will get this networking access. So you need to again take care of one more point here. See, right now the default security group has been attached with this EFS. So you need to attach that security group which is having a NFS port enabled. Then only you will connect this EFS with both the machines. So just go and select your security group here for all the availability zone like that. Okay, and next option. Under next option it's just a policy, or if you want to control that, so just next and create. So my second option is being created. Okay, so click on that and go to this attach option. Under this attach option you will get these options which will help you to mount. So how to mount that? You can go using EFS, you can go with the NFS, you can mount based on the IP addresses also, but right now I am going to mount via DNS. There are a lot of options available. So, but before that I need to perform some task in these machines. So first just go and create one directory that is called EFS. So you, which directory will be shared between both the machines. So you have created one EFS directory here. Again same, create one EFS directory here also. So yes, we have EFS here. You need to install one package, that is sudo yum install -y Amazon EFS utility. Is that utility or utilities? Let me check the command exactly. Amazon EFS utility command for Linux. This one, it's a utils. Okay, yum install -y Amazon utils. So you need to run this command in both the machines. Enter, and here also enter. Okay, so you have installed utils. Now just go inside the EFS file and under this file run, no, you have to be outside of this file. Now we need to mount these two. So just copy this command. See, this command is different for my account and the ID will be different for your account. So just don't copy this particular command, just generate your own EFS and then copy that. So copy this and paste it. What you are doing here, you are mounting the EFS folder which you have created here with this mounting point. So just enter that. Okay, it is mounted. Now the same command, paste it here. Sorry. Okay, now we mounting has been done. Now just go inside the EFS, and under this you will see that we don't have any file. Okay, let me clear the screen first. You will see we don't have any file. Let me go and create some files. Touch file 1, file 2. Two files I have created. So okay, I don't have permission to touch, and I will apply sudo. Okay, ls-la. See, I have created two files. Let me go inside the Linux 2 machine. Under this, let's just go inside the EFS and do ls-la. See, you are able to see those the same for files inside this Linux 2 machine also. If you go and create some file here, touch file 3, file 4. So if you go and run ls-la from Linux 1, you will see here. So are you able to understand what is happening here? You have created one common location where both the machines are accessing the same folder. You can mount n number of machines with this EFS. Any doubt till now?
No.
Okay, Ashwati, do you have any doubt? She's not there.
No, I'm saying no.
Okay, okay, yeah. So if we want to delete that, let's just delete rm-rf, and let me delete file 3. Okay, so let's just see whether it is deleted from Linux 2 machine. See, the file 3 is been deleted. So this is how you can go ahead and share the file between them. There are unlimited data you can go and share. There is not limit, unlimited capacity planning with the fully elastic storage and performance. 5 GB standard storage is free tier eligible, so you can share till 5 GB of data with this EFS. Okay, so this is about another concept related with the storage which we have covered. And yes, we are done with the EFS also. So let's just delete that. Okay, deleted. Now just go and delete both the machines also. And I have created one S3 bucket also, right, today. Okay, so now next topic which we have in the list is IAM. Okay, so let's have some brief information, and the complete detailed discussion we'll do tomorrow. So what exactly IAM is, why we need that. So what do you understand by IAM? What it could be, what benefit it is providing, why we have this service available in AWS.
Let's say I am the root user. I want the users to have some limited access.
Mm-hmm.
So then only we use the AMI feature.
Yes. So IAM is the identity access management, the service which will help us to authorize and authenticate and limit the access. In the industry, they have one account. From that account, one commercial account they have, a main account, and from that admin account, they create so many sub accounts for the employees. So here also they are doing the same thing. Is it helps us to securely manage identity and access to the AWS services and resources. Now, what could be the use case for that? Like, for example, I have a company. Under that company, I have one root account, and there are a lot of new employees has been joined in my team, and there are full access is available for administrator purpose. But obviously the person who is newly joined, they don't have any idea. There might be the chance that they can go and delete some of the resources, so we need to control them. The controlling part could be like read, write and execute type of access, and all the services access. Like for example, I want to give to this user the all the services access, but I want only read access, so I can give the read access to this user for all the services. For this user, I want to limit the access, like I want to give only S3 and VPC access to this user, and that too he can only read that. But for this user, I want he can be able to create EC2 and VPC, and he can able to edit also. I can give the right access also with to this user. So these kind of user management is done under IAM. With the help of IAM, we can do that. Okay, one point. Now, what all are the components we have under IAM? So we have four components. One is user, other one is group, third one is policy, and the fourth one is role. So user part, you have seen that user specific access we managed, but sometimes it happens that the same type of access we want to give to the multiple users. So instead of going and editing each and every user manually, we have an option called group. So we can create a group and we can assign a group policy or the group level access to them. Like for example, we have a lot of employees and we have created a group of those employees, like this is the HR group, this is the admin group, this is the DevOps group, this is the dev group, this is the test group. So there are some of the policies which you want to assign group specific. Like HR will have the HR specific access. So there might be a 10 HR present in the company. So all 10 will get this HR level access. So instead of going and giving the 10 HR manually, we have a group of access. So we can create a group, we can assign all the group level access to this HR team, and then we can attach that group with this all the users. So all the users present inside this HR group will get the same access. Same way we have a dev team, we have a test team, we have a DevOps team. So there are multiple people, and the same way we can go ahead and create the policy. Now, as they all are the employee of our company, so there are some of the common policy or the common permission we will have for all the employees. Like for example, sign in portal, attendance portal, like some of the common policy documents. So these are the some of the application which is applicable for all the employee. So instead of going and assigning that permission to access those documents, we can go ahead and create one more group over and above, and we can give that permission to this group, this one, and we can attach group inside all the group. Like we can make the group of group. Understood? The common group I have made, under that group I assign all the 5 groups, so they can get the one common policy everyone, and they have their own individual policies also. And third option we also have, that third option is we can go ahead and customize the user level permissions also. We can give some different user permission also. Like for example, HR, there are 10 HR, they get same permission, but there will be a HR head, senior HR, they might have other permission as compared to junior HR. So we can go ahead and customize that particular permission to senior HR and the HR head. So that will be another third level of permission that will be dedicated for the senior persons. So this is how the hierarchy is maintained in the industry, so which will help us to maintain the security, and this thing is been done by the IAM users and group. Okay, any doubt?
No.
Okay, Jasmeet.
No.
Okay, so let's just understand and create the demo, how to do that. So simply go to the IAM. Under IAM, are you getting some background noise? Okay,
Me?
ठीक है. So let's just go and create a user. So this is my dashboard where I can go ahead and create the user. So I already have one user, so let me delete that. Terraform. Okay. So this will be the dashboard which you will see in your console. Simply go and click on add user option. Under this add user option, you can have a username with the 64 character. Valid character is like a small capital number, and these are the only special characters allowed for the username. So let me go and create Kanchan user. No, let it be the John, for example. Okay. Under that, provide user access to the management console. Yes. Okay, I'm not selecting any option, just click on next option. Under this option you will get three types of permission option. One is add user to any group, copy permission from any other group member or any other user, attach the policy directly. So this is one option where you will get the policy option. Now what is the policy? There are three types of policies we have. One is AWS managed, other one is custom policy, third one is inline policy. Okay, so right now we are only discussing AWS managed policy, which is predefined from the AWS. Okay, these two we'll discuss later, but I am just only focused with the AWS managed policy. I am creating this John user, and as this is the new user, I just only wanted to give the S3 permission, for example, only S3 console. So what we can do, we can go ahead and select the S3 here. Under the S3 you will get different types of permissions here. S3 full access, Amazon DMS, Redshift S3. So what all are the permissions related with the S3, you will get that, and you will see the time here. And one more thing, IAM is completely free service. There is no charges in IAM, free, fully free service. So see, you will not get any free tier limit tag here, because that's a free service, and you will not get even the pricing tab here over above. Okay, so here you will see the type, that's the AWS managed policy, and under this plus sign if you go and click that, so you will get this the policy thing. So with this is the policy, JSON policy. It's like if you go and select this policy and click on next option, so you are giving John user as a Amazon S3 full access and create user. So once you are done with the creating a user, so you have created a user. Now how this user will be accessed with this console, how he can go and access the AWS console. So just click on that and you will get this security credential option. Under that security credential option, you need to generate the security credentials for this particular user. So create a access key and secret access key. Here you will get these options. Do you want to give the command line permission? Do you want to give the local code and third party, all those things? No, I just want the management console part. Where is that? Maybe they have changed the option. Just click and create a John 2. Provide user access to the AWS management console. Yes, I want to give that username option. I want to create a IAM user, a specific user identity center. Okay, let it be. Then next. No, I don't want to use that as of now. I want to create an IAM user. Yes, this option I was searching. See, we need to check this option. Under this option, I want to assign a ID and password to the user. How to do that? Now, see, auto generated password will be the automatically generated. So any password, custom password, I can create my own custom password. So I want auto generated password. User must create a new password at next sign in. Like we are restricting the user. Whenever you will go and use first time that password, they will prompt me to change the password. So I don't want that also. So next, under that I want to attach the policy. Let's just attach the same policy, S3 full access. Next, create user. Okay, so this is the ID password we have got. So either we can go ahead and copy that, or either we can download the CSV. So we can download the CSV and download section. That will be the John 2 credential. Save it. Open. Or you can email also this to the same person, but right now we have got this Excel. See, so this is having these credentials, username, password and URL. So you have to use this URL. So now what is this URL? Just see the number 3423099 something. What is this URL means? Number means, see this one, this is my account ID. So it shows that this is the sub account or sub user which has been created by my account. So I am the administrator and the user which I have created, John 2, is having only some limited permission. So that is the IAM user. Okay, so now how to log in into that account? So just simply go and create as incognito mode. Okay, why I am selecting, otherwise I won't be able to log in. So just copy this URL and paste it here. So automatically it is prompting me. They understood with this URL is this is the IAM user. So automatically they have taken my account ID. Now they are asking me for the username. So my username is John 2 and the password is this one. So just copy this and paste it here and sign in. So you have got the access, and this is the John, and this is the account ID, and this is the IAM user. So this, it is giving the permission here. And now right now I am in a Sydney region. I can go and navigate from one region to another region. Now I just want to create a EC2. So let's just go and click on EC2. As a John, I don't know, I'm not aware what kind of permission I have. See, once I'll go and click on EC2, I will get this API error. It shows that I don't have any permission. And if I'll go to the S3 dashboard, so I have a permission. And if I'll try to create a bucket, John demo bucket for example, and I'm selecting this, just simply create a bucket. Create a bucket. So I have created a bucket from the John user. Okay, so let's just go to my root user. Under root user, if I go and select the S3 option here, Under that, I will be able to see this bucket. So I have full control on this bucket. I can go and delete that also because I am the root person. Even though that is created by John, I have full permission. But John is also having full permission for only S3. He can go and delete that. Now after some time, there is a requirement has been raised by John that he need EC2 access also. So how to get that? So he requests to the admin account. Admin people will go under that user. Sorry, I am under that user. Where is the user? We have a John 2 user, and they can go and attach more permission. So you will get here the add permission option, and under that you can attach the policy with sorry S3. Here EC2. So you will again get that. So you can go ahead and give the permission, add permission. So you have two policies now, EC2 and S3. So the user which you have created here will now able to access the EC2 also. See, now you are able to create EC2 also. If you want to go for VPC, you won't be able to do that. Here, if you go and create VPC, it has should not be allow me, but let's just create. Okay, maybe the VPC will be the, I don't know. Okay, failed to create a root 50 rule. So VPC is allowed. We are getting some of the thing. We can create a VPC. Let's just create a subnet inside that VPC. So maybe it is allowed. Yes. Okay, so we can create a VPC even though we don't have access. And if we go and see the CloudWatch, so yeah, we have access of CloudWatch also. So there are some of the services which are allowed to create even though if you don't have any permission. If we go and create a SNS, let's just see the SNS is required. Yes, SNS is required the permission. So understood till here? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.